Okay guys, we are almost there. Now let's look at our row widget. Okay, so now let me clearly remove everything from the body, and I will keep this comma at the end. Whenever you add a new property or a new element, you need to add this comma. If I do not add it, it will not take this property which is next. So always add a comma. Okay, and now let me add a row. Row does not have a property of child, it has children, and row can help you add different containers horizontally. Let's see what that actually means. Okay, so within a row you can add multiple widgets, you can add many widgets. Okay, so let me write a container, and I can write different containers, but make sure, as I already told you, you always need to add a comma after you mention a widget or mention a property, right? So let's add 3 containers here. Container and container. Okay, container. Now see, I did not add a comma before this, that is why I'm getting an error. And now it's a good practice to add comma every single time, even if you do not have a widget after that. So now I added 3 containers and I will give them some color. So let me give a color of colors. Colors dot, let's say amber. I will give one a amber color. Other one I will give, let's quickly mention these 3. And another here I will give it a color of, let's give it black. And here let's give it red. Okay, now let me save it. And you can see that nothing appears. Bummer. I know. Even though we gave it colors, different colors, nothing came because we haven't defined size and height for a container. So let's quickly do that. Height, and I will give it a height of 100 and width of also 100. Okay, I want to make squares, so I will just copy these 2 lines and I will enter them in every container, each and every container. Okay, so let me save them, and now you can see that the 3 containers are now horizontally aligned. There is another property for rows which is main axis alignment, which takes main axis alignment, and you can here see that it has center, end, space around, space between, space evenly, and start. So let's see what center is. Okay, let's see the center. And center basically gets your 3 widgets, whatever is within that row gets it to center. Okay, now there is also end. For end, it will take all these 3 widgets to the end of the screen. Now for start, it will take when the screen starts. Okay, now there is space between, and with space between it will add spaces within all the widgets that are inside your row. Here we have 1 container, 2 and 3 containers. Okay, so there are different properties as well, and you can explore them on your own. Now let's quickly see what columns are in the next video.